Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start new series on how to do several stuff in terms of technology, crypto and other stuff. So today's video will be focusing on how you can send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite to anyone on how you can join the meeting. So this is a very complicated process for many IT geeks. So let's get started with the video. If you want to set up an instant invite, so you can directly click on meet now. But if you want to schedule a call for later on, so click on like meet later. So let's try the meet later option first. So we will click this particular tab and automatically we will say, let's say meeting to discuss crypto. And so today is 12th, so I will put the same date. So let's put the time. Uh, Let's start it at 8 p.m. and finish it at 8:30 p.m. So from this particular tab, you can select the date and time and for how long do you need the meeting for. So let's say I want it for an hour. So I'll just click on 9 p.m. So I will click on schedule. So it will automatically start to schedule that particular meeting. Now you have multiple options. So you can share this via Outlook, you can share this via Google Calendar, share via default email or copy the link. So we will look into these options one by one. So if I click copy link, it should give me, so you can copy that particular option and open your email and just paste that particular link, send it to whatever invitees you want, let's say ABC or whatever, and subject you can just say as it is, like meeting for crypto, and just click on send. So once the time comes up, so everybody on that particular link will be able to join that meeting. The other option is you can share the same link via Outlook. So just click this particular tab. It will automatically sync your Microsoft Outlook. Just click share via Outlook. It will automatically sign you up and it will automatically generate that invitation. The other thing you can do is share via Google Calendar. So it will ask you to log in your username and password and the meeting will be synced via Google Calendar, or share via default email. So let's say I have a default email of this particular mail system. I'll just click on mail and it will automatically open the tab for me. It will say meeting to discuss crypto, the same subject. Then you are invited to join Microsoft team meeting. Use the below link. That's it. And you can just add your attendees. The next one is, so now it says, so once that process is completed, so you should automatically see that particular meeting in your tabs and should be reflected in your calendar also. So as you can see, that particular meeting is logged in my calendar. The other option is if we want to set up an instant meeting, like without looking into time slots or anything, we just need to click on meet now. So if you want to skip the calendar part and start the meeting instantly, so you will just click on chat and you will get three options. So you need to click on meet now and get a link to share. So that's your link which you need to send to everyone to join the particular meeting. So I'll copy the link and start the meeting. So as I am the invitee, so I have to join it first. And it will again give me the options like copy meeting link. So I'll just copy the meeting link, put myself on mute until everyone joins. That's how you keep your professionalism. So I'll send this particular meeting invite to, let's say, a couple of people. So let's click on new email and send it to myself, and I'll say meeting invite, and that's it. So I'll click on send. I should be able to receive that particular email in couple of seconds. Okay, so I've received the link. I've copied it on a separate notepad. So I'll just paste it here. And it is asking me open Microsoft Teams, continue on the browser, no need to download. So I'll try to use this option, continue on this browser. So now it's initializing the web version. So get the Windows app, I don't need it. So use the web app instead. So let's click on that. And it's asking me to so it's asking me if I want to use my Microsoft or camera. So I'll just click on allow, show your camera. So you can join by any nickname. Let's say I said ABC. Click on join now. And it will tell me that we have let the organizer know that you are waiting. So the organizer, who is myself, so it will tell me that ABC guest is waiting in the lobby. We can't verify this person's identity. So if you want to allow him, you can directly click on admit, or if you want to see how many other persons are waiting, you need to click on view lobby and you will see all the persons who are waiting. So once I click that person, now it is saying it is admitting. So yeah, that's it. So he is in the meeting. So guys, that's it from today's tutorial. It is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can send Microsoft Teams meeting invite to anyone, or how you can join the meeting instantly. So stay tuned for more interesting updates, and please don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.